Over the last 50 years, materials used to help restore decayed teeth have advanced. Composites or white fillings are the material of choice for giving you a more natural-looking smile. Composites are fillings designed to match the color of your teeth and blend in with your tooth enamel. They're the perfect choice for a cavity in a visible area of your smile, like on the front teeth or at the gum line. The two main ingredients are plastic resin and a filler of finely ground glass-like particles. Although composites are preferred for cosmetic reasons, if a cavity is too large or is in an area where much chewing occurs, your dentist may recommend other treatment options. If you have any questions about composite fillings or any other restorative materials, ask your dentist. For the ADA Dental Minute, I'm Dr. Maria Lopez Howell.